morning children, how are you all? I hope it's good. So everyone Nana, you must purchase your textbooks. Without textbooks you cannot understand what we teach that in lesson. So you must ensure you purchase that textbook as early as possible. Okay, today I will start the team second lesson. Okay, 5th class English. This is our second lesson name, the laughing song. What is that? Laughing song. This is a poem Nana. So before what we learned that in lesson, before which lesson we all learned that only story. We all learned that in story. What is that story? The boy judge. What we all learned in the first lesson? The boy judge only is given to you in reading purpose Nana, and some meanings is given to you. Okay, meanings and hard words only is there in this lesson. Okay, not having any question answers. Okay, and next another lesson, it starts that in second, the laughing song. So this is a poem. Only in this poem it's depend upon it's a laughing. Okay Nana, laughing means it's a, what is that? You know that in laugh. For example, we are funny jokes, it comes down the time, especially it's come that in laugh. Yes or no? So what is that in laughing song? Who one is wrote in this laughing song? Let us see. Okay, who's first start that in lesson before, and in this poem some of the hard words is given to you. Okay, what is that in hard words? Let us see. Dimpling. What is that in hard word? Some hard words is there. Okay, so what is that in hard word? Dimpling. So what is the dimpling spelling? Read once you. D-I-M-P-L-I-N-G. Dimpling. And meaning also is there afterwards explained. And dimpling. First one, what is that? Dimpling. Stream. What is that? Stream. S-T-R-E-A-M. Stream. Next, laughing. What is that, Nana? Laughing. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G. Laughing. Next, wit. Next, what is that? Wit. The spelling of W-I-T. Wit. Next, meadows. What is that? Meadows. M-E-A-D-O-W-S. Meadows. Next, hill laugh. Hill laugh. H-I-L-L. Hill. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. Next one, grasshopper. One of the insect, you know that one. Yes, grasshopper. G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R. Grasshopper. Next, painted. Next one, what is that? Painted. P-A-I-N-T-E-D. Painted. Next, cherries. Next one, what is that? Cherries. Nuts, cherries, we know that one. Yes, that is cherries. C-H-E-R-R-I-S. We like that in cherries. Next one, chorus. Next one, what? Chorus. C-H-O-R-U-S. Chorus. This is hard words is given to you. Read once you Nana, join with me. Dimpling, stream, laughing, wit, widows, hill laugh, grasshopper, painted, cherries, chorus. Okay, next in this lesson the down one is some meanings is given. So what is that in meaning? The first one, dimpling. What is that? Dimpling. So which one we call that in dimpling? Look at that. Look at that page number 10 Nana. Dimpling, some Hindi. What is the meaning of in dimpling? The meaning is given to you in English also and Hindi also is there. So look at that. What is the meaning of in English? Making hollow spaces in the way. Making hollow the spaces, the whole of spaces in the way. Making hollow spaces in the way. So what is there in Hindi word? Look at that. रास्ते में खोखले स्थान बनाना. क्या होता है? What is there? The रास्ते में खोखले स्थान banana. Making hollow spaces in the way. The meaning of in dimpling. Next, wit. Next one, what is that? Wit. Ability. A-B-I-L-I. What is that? T-Y. Ability to be. T-O-to-be. To be funny and clever. Ability to be funny, clever. So what is there on Hindi word? Look at that. मजाकिया और चालाक बनाने की क्षमता. मजाक बनाना और चालक बनाने की क्षमता. The meaning of in Hindi. Next, meadows. The meadows means none of the place of in surrounding the green grass. We call that a meadows. Okay, the green field is there in to you in Hindi. हरे भरे खेत. What is that? हरे भरे खेत. Once you read dimpling, making hollow spaces in the with ability to be funny and clever, widows, green fields. Okay, now we start that in poem. Who is wrote the poem? William Blake. Who? William Blake in this poet. Okay, the poet name William Blake. So let us start that in poem. The insist is given to you. It is a nice poem written by William Blake. In this poem, poet describes the beauty of nature. So what is that in laughing song of what is given in this poem? Only explain about that in poet. It's a beauty of nature. Okay, our nature is so beautiful, no? So on that poet is explained to you how to our nature is beautiful, how to is there, and how trees or birds is there, what happen is there on that nature. It totally is given to you on that poem. So now we start. Let us start. When the green woods laugh with the voice of joy, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by. When the air does laugh with our merry wit, and the green hill laughs with the noise of it. When the meadows laugh with the lively green, and the grasshopper laughs in the merry screen. When Mary and Susan and Emily, when their sweet round words sing a ha ha ha. When the painted birds laugh in the shade, where our table with cherry and nuts are spread. Come live and be merry and join with me to sing the sweet chorus of ha ha ha. So what is given? When we laugh, how do we laugh? That the sound of must comes in ha ha ha. Yes, the given to you in this poem. So what is given the lines of the first one? When the green woods laugh with the voice of joy, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by. Yes, look at this picture. The first we explain that. Look at this picture. Some children plays. Yes or no? Yes, on the table number of fruit items is there. Fruits and some of nuts also is there, and surrounding totally the green leaves and one of the tree, the green of tree is there, and the birds, and on the table some nuts is there. Yes or no? So it totally describes the nature, how to it's beautifully on that in greenery. So what is there? The green woods laugh with the voice of joy, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by. Yes, it totally explain about that nature, how to the greenery woods is there. The voice of joy, when we laugh on that time, the sound will becomes. And the greenery, look at the dimpling mean making hollow space in the way. The totally on that in place when we play on that time, the green woods laugh with the voice of joy. When the air does laugh with the merry wit, and the green hills laugh with the noise of it. When we play, the boy also it's told to you that I totally explain that in nature, some children also it's play on the time. So when we comes that in voice, the totally surround on area, the sound will comes in loud. The hill places, look at that. The green hill laughs with the noise of it. Yes, and hill places, when we laugh on that in hill places, the sound will comes in loud. Sound will comes in noise. The totally loud. When the meadow laughs with the lively green, and the grasshopper laughs in the merry screen. Yes, do you know the grasshopper, one of the insect, which color is there? Yes, the green color is there. On that time, meadows means the totally green field, the totally cover up in land. Okay, the greenery, that means on grass. The meadows laugh with the lively green, the totally cover that in a lively green on the time. The grasshopper, and the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene. On that time it's very happen to that in insect. Why? Because the grasshopper like that in greenery. Yes or no? So on that time we play, the children play on that time, we enjoy that on that time, the laugh on hill places, the louder of voice, and the nature on that time, the meadows on time, the grasshopper will very happy on that the totally the greenery would comes on that nature. When Mary and Susan and Emily, when the sweet round mouths the sing ha ha ha, the children also it's played. No. Yes, on that picture. What is that? Some names is given. What is that name? Mary, Susan, Emily. The three members' names is given. Yes, the totally three members surrounding on places, and open that in mouth and laugh louder. Ha ha ha. The laugh louder. It's enjoyed that in nature. When the painted birds laugh in the shade, where our table with cherries and nuts and spread. They totally, children played, enjoyed on the time. And what is there? The birds. Look at the team picture. Bird also is there. Yes, the bird also is totally enjoyed. The children enjoyed. And the table of what is there on table? Some fruits, cherries, nuts. It's totally spreads and totally spreads. And the birds look like that in nuts. So totally enjoyed on the time. Come live and be merry and join with me to sing the sweet chorus of ha ha ha. Not only in children, not only in birds, not only in grasshopper, join with me. Yes, join that in nature and enjoy that in nature. And the chorus too, ha ha ha. Love the song, love that time. The chorus of it, ha ha ha, to explain that in William Blake. So what is the total is poem is given? Totally none. It's about of in beautiful nature. The first one, what is there? The laugh with the voice of joy. When we play on the time, the voice of is louder. The totally dimpling on the time. Next one, what is that? The hill laugh. Hill places we can laugh on the time. The sound will comes in louder. And the meadows of area. That's what is meadows. The totally cover of in green areas. Yes, on that time in green area, the grasshopper will very happy on that in, look at that in greenery, it's enjoyed. And Mary, Sushan, Emily, the sweet round mouths, it's come to the sound of it, laugh on time, ha ha ha. Next, the painted birds love the shade and table, cherries and nuts, and birds surrounding there. When we are greenery is there, when we are the beautiful nature is there, on that time the birds will come and look at that in table, the nuts and fruits, some cherries and there, and happy about that in birds also and enjoyed that in nature. Next, not only in this one, join with us and chorus to ha 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 is explained that in William Blake. Okay, now only in this poem about that in nature and beauty is given to you the lesson in the poem name The Laughing Song. Okay, it's wrote that in William Blake. Once read everyone. When the green woods laugh with the voice of joy and the dimpling stream runs laughing by. When the air does laugh with our merry beat and the green hill laugh with the noise of it. When the meadows laugh with the lively green and the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene. When Mary and Susanna and Emily with their sweet around the mouth sing ha ha ha. When the painted birds laugh in the shade, where our table with cherries and nets the spread. Come live and be merry and join with me to sing the sweet chorus of ha 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 is given in this poem. Once you read and write in your classwork in this poem, which one is there on hard word, you put the underline in your pencil, the textbook. Okay, write in hard words and meanings in your classwork. Okay, Nana, I hope understand in this poem, and another lesson I'll start that on tomorrow. Okay, and it belongs the sum of questions is there, afterwards is given. Okay, Nana, thank you.